Good morning बच्चों. In this video I am going to show you how to connect Python with SQLite. In previous video I have shown you uh, connection of Python with MySQL. Please watch that video as much as time you can, because uh, that video is going to help you to connect Python with SQLite. Now move to next slide. What is SQLite? SQLite is an in-process library that implements a self-contained zero configuration serverless transactional SQL database engine. Okay, the source code of SQLite exists in the public domain and is free for both private and commercial purposes. Why SQLite? SQLite does not require a separate server process or system to operate. That means it is serverless. SQLite comes with zero configuration, which means no setup or no administration needed. A complete SQLite database is stored in a single cross-platform disk. SQLite is very small and lightweight, less than 400 kilobyte fully configured. Okay, or less than 250 kilobyte with optional features omitted. SQLite is self-contained, which means no external dependencies. SQLite transactions are fully ACID. ACID means you know that. Okay, transactional properties allowing safe access from multiple processes of threads. SQLite supports most of the query language features found in SQL 92. SQLite written in C and provides simple and easy to use API. SQLite is available on Unix, Linux, Mac, Android, iOS, Windows. Okay, that means you can use everywhere. You can use in Android very easily. Now, uh, how to connect? So first of all, we have to download SQLite. So how to download? Visit official site. Okay, sqlite.org, and go to download section and download this file, SQLite tools win32 x86. Okay, you can see the size of folder 1.74 MB under pre-compiled binary for Windows. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to unzip. Okay, you have to extract that folder. Okay, you will get 3 executable file. जब हम इस zip folder को हम लोग एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे, हमें 3 एग्जीक्यूटेबल फाइल मिलेगी. तो हमें करना क्या है, वी हैव टू मेक अ फोल्डर. ओके, क्रिएट अ फोल्डर SQLite in any drive. I am going to use C drive, for example C drive, and extract all 3 executable file, okay, into that folder. Okay, don't worry, I will show you everything one by one. Now open command, okay, and go to C drive SQLite. Not type SQLite 3, type command SQLite 3 space database name dot db. For example, I am going to create bank database, so SQLite 3 space bank dot db. Now you can create table with create table command, and you can perform other SQL operations like MySQL. Now how to connect? Okay, almost same as MySQL. Now open Python ideally, import SQLite 3. This time you need not to install, it is already there. Now create connection with the help of connect method like MySQL. Okay, make cursor ready with cursor method, and now execute SQL queries with the help of execute method or function. Is it? चलिए देखते हैं कैसे करेंगे. Now I have already downloaded, you can see SQLite tools. Open this folder, it will contain 3 executable files. Now control plus A, control plus C drive, create folder SQLite, and paste all 3 executable file in this folder. Now open CMD, go to that folder and type command SQLite 3 space your database name. For example, our database name bank.db. Okay, now you can see the interface of SQLite. Here you can perform all SQL operation, most of the SQL operation. Okay, now मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ वो folder. Now you can see there is no bank.db file, but once you create a table, okay, you can see that database is going to display here. Okay, now open Python, open Python, import SQLite 3. Now make connection to same as mydb equal SQLite 3 dot connect and type your database path here, c:/SQLite /bank.db and press enter. Okay, now make cursor, my cursor equal mydb dot cursor. Now my cursor ready, that means you can perform your SQL operation. The my cursor dot execute. Now I am going to create table, same table like MySQL, create table customer, okay, account number, int comma name char 32 and you can press enter. Now you see, now go to folder, you can see BankDB. Is it okay? Hopefully now you can connect your Python with SQLite. Okay, so thank you and practice. If any doubt you can ask me anytime. Thank you so much.